You've undoubtedly been seeking methods to make money online for a long time, and you've finally discovered it. I'll simply show you how to copy and paste photos, and you may make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 for doing so. It won't need any work and will be fully passive. There's no need to be concerned because this is available all around the world. Do you not find it incredible that it is entirely free? If you watch this video and follow along with me, you'll be able to double or even triple your profits in a short period of time. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. First and foremost, I'd like you to go to google.com and type in the phrase cute animals into the search box. After that, I'd like you to go to this page and click on the image button, which will lead you to a page with numerous images of all of these adorable creatures and how we can utilize them to make a lot of money online utilizing a really particular website and approach. Secondly, visit teespring.com, which is an entirely free site where you can develop various e-commerce goods using AI and then sell them on the internet without having to speak with anyone on the phone. It is actually a lot simpler than you would think, and all you have to do is copy and paste the photographs onto teespring.com as previously indicated. Your photographs and designs will simply be printed onto various garments, t-shirts, and other designs that you may view here once you have uploaded them all. On teespring.com, there is a wide range of clothing options. Simply upload and paste some simple images here, and they'll let you print them on numerous t-shirts in a matter of minutes. See this design right here. Consider this t-shirt, which costs around $20, and the fact that teespring.com has so many different designs that you can essentially sell anything by just copying and pasting them. There are backpacks, leggings, and even phone covers, as you can see, as well as accessories. Teespring would gladly pre-manufacture and produce all of the t-shirts and different designs for you, then aid you in delivering to 180 nations across the world, according to the notion behind this money-making technique. But it's not just that, but they can do it with a same-day or two-day delivery option, so you can start your own design business on teespring.com, which is great because that's how it works in general. First and foremost, you must use the Teespring launcher and the default designing button to build a product. I'll teach you how to begin making different t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting different photographs using your phone or computer in a minute. So remain in touch and don't miss out on anything. You may create and design a large selection of goods on teespring.com. We'll go on to the following level, which is to increase your sales once you've accomplished that procedure. To increase sales, you may either exploit their current network or integrate through a product or cooperation. As a consequence, Teespring will aid you in producing, delivering, and fulfilling all orders since it is so easy to do. They'll even assist you with customer service, and they'll do it with the support of a skilled crew. It is as simple as returning to the homepage of teespring.com and clicking on this button at the top to begin designing, which will lead you to the page where you can join up for the world's most popular creative platform. Simply provide some basic information such as your name or company name, email address, and password, and then click the sign up button to begin. After you've registered an account and fill out your personal information, you will be sent to this page where you'll find a range of options for what's hot and what's trendy right now in other trending areas like digital clothes and accessories such as joggers, face masks, and so on, as well as several categories or trending items. It is easy to scroll down and look at all of the various themes, items, and products that you may manufacture if you don't like any of them. As you can see, there are a lot of them. All you have to do now is click on the start button and you will be sent to the long sleeve shirt category. I will teach you how to get started with the greatest, which is the classic, in this video. As you can see, there is a central space where we may copy and paste a picture onto the t-shirt as our own design, and now we need to upload it. I'll give you some time to subscribe subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up if you've liked the video so far. Before we get any further, please leave a comment below if you like and learned something new from this video. Now all you have to do is go back to Google and look for attractive emojis, just like I did at the start of the video, and we'll pick one of these photos to use. I'll use cats as an example in this video since there are a lot of cat lovers all around the world who would want to purchase and create a t-shirt with a cute kitty on it. After choosing the image of the cat, we may either save it to our computer, take a screenshot of it, or save it to our phone. It is now only a matter of clicking this button to upload a photo, selecting the photograph that will be picked, and voila, we have the cat photo. You may drag and drop the photographs to whatever area you like, or even drag them to make them bigger once you've successfully uploaded your image to the t-shirt as seen here right now. So for the time being, I'm making it a little bigger to suit the box in the center and putting it at the bottom where you may adjust it as needed. The next step is to pick a color for your product. For our t-shirt, we'll go with white. To choose the pricing for your t-shirt, scroll down to the bottom of the page. By default, they'll propose $26.99 and you may earn $11 profit on every sale, and Teespring will advertise and sell your t-shirt for you every day. The quietness of Teespring and the ease with which a newcomer may use it are also outstanding features. Simply click the proceed button at the bottom and your t-shirt and design will be right on top online at teespring.com, because Teespring will aid you in promoting and selling the items after you're delighted with your design. I'd like you to go to facebook.com right now and type in cat lover into the search box. Once you're there, all you have to do is click on groups by default under the filter area. So I simply click on groups, and then I want you to join these public groups by clicking on this button right here, which will let you filter all of the results for public cat lovers groups. Let's say I go to this page and click on this group, which sends me to a page with a lot of cat aficionados from all over the world. They are displaying a variety of cat-related photos, graphics, and videos. You will be able to produce a lot of organic sales without having to communicate to anyone if you can place a basic design right here on the site, and it'll be incredibly focused traffic because everyone who joins this group is a cat lover. Just make a simple post and share your t-shirt design here in the Facebook group, and voila, you will be able to make a lot of money from it. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.